Hey everyone, I'm back. I did my research, I looked into things, and for the most part this was the other look that I saw, and this is the way I was thinking of doing it. I'm going to do this I Got Good Jeans trio, but in a different way. So I have like this gold pencil from Revlon. It's almost finished, and I put it right in there. Then I got the sky blue, or the baby blue, from NYX. I already primed my eyes. You can see I'm not going all the way in. I feel like a truck ran over me. I'm like getting out of breath easy. Lord help me. Okay, so I already put, like I said, I put a little bit like of a gold pencil in there, a little bit of gold, so that it could take more easily to this gold color. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. See, just dab it right. Since I have deep set eyes, it's putting it in the deep corner, so you can't even see the. I'm brain dead. Okay, that little thing that the women put right in there, the tear duct. And I let it go out underneath. I'm gonna clean that up though. And like I said before, I'm not really sure what Wet n Wild had in mind when they did this palette. I'm taking that sky blue color on top, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. The outer, and then just try kind of like blend it inward. And then again take the crease color, really blue crease color. I'm trying to get a little bit more comfortable. I'm not, my body's hurting me so bad. Okay. But today is like the first day off that I've had off since school started. And this is the second time I forget to bring my empty vitamin bottles so that I could buy new ones. So I have to go out anyway. And my son, wanted me to bring him to a GameStop, so and just dip this in that sugar. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the blue Urban Decay Radium liquid, and then my my Revlon underneath, sapphire, black sapphire or something. All right, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I used my Revlon liner underneath, like I said. I believe it's called Black Sapphire or Sapphire Flash. I use San Paulo from my NYX Soft Matte. And I use this again for the blush, the highlighter, the contour. So yeah, so that's what I did. So next week I'm gonna do one of these two. Like I said, I might hold this off till March. But I want to do these.